Hi everybody, welcome back to YouTube channel. So in this video, we will guide you how you can fix your Beat Solo 4 keep disconnecting. So let's start it today. First, we have to do check a battery. Ensure your battery Beat Solo 4 headphone are fully charged, and you can check the battery level by looking at the LED indicator light on the headphone, checking the battery level on the connecting device. If the battery is low, charge the headphone fully using the including lightning cable and power adapter. Once charged, try reconnecting and try headphone to your device. Then after installation 2, you have to unpair and repair your headphone. On your connecting device, go to Bluetooth setting, find a Beat Solo 4 headphone in the list of the pair device, and then tap on the forget or unpair option to disconnect the headphone. And then turn off your Beat Solo 4 headphone. You have to press and hold the power button until the LED flash. Then once your device, go to the Bluetooth setting and select your Beat Solo 4 headphone to pair them again. So to reset your headphone, simply you have to hold the volume down button and the power button down for a 10 seconds. When the light of the right ear cup blink red and bright, release the button. So here the last resort, we have to do a contact their Beat Solo for customer support. If now the solution mentioned but to fix the problem, so you have to contact Beat Solo for customer support service and provide them with an SSI you have to take in, and also, you have to such as the serial number of your product and detailed description of the issue. Follow the instruction to arrange for repairs or replace necessary. So these are some simple solutions you have to do when you tackle this problem. So thank you for watching video. I hope you like it, and we will catch you in our next video for further information.